Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go! Calculus problems involving quadratic denominators often look intimidating, but you can solve this specific integral in 3 quick steps using the completing the square method today. First, we complete the square for the quadratic denominator. Notice that x squared minus 6x plus 10 is equivalent to x minus 3 squared plus 1. That is our base. Now let u equal x minus 3, then du equals dx. This transforms our integral into the standard form of the integral of 1 over u squared plus 1. Boom! Finally, we recognize this as the derivative of the arctangent function. Substituting back, we get arctan of x minus 3 plus the constant c. That makes option D correct. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the log rule trap and always apply the arctan rule for these squares.